Manage your company's promoters, shareholders, and directors all from the People tab. Click Add Promoter, enter the promoter's details, and invite them by email. You can also copy or share an invite link. Once added, the promoter appears with a pending acceptance status. After the invitation is accepted, you can chat with the promoter, appoint a role, select Shareholder and click Agree and continue to submit the appointment request. The promoter is moved to the Shareholders tab, where you can also add shareholders directly. Once appointed, the shareholder enters a pending approval status while the admin team reviews the request. After approval, the status updates to approved shareholder. To add a director, enter the director's details, send an invitation, or share an invite link. The director will appear with a pending acceptance status. Appoint the director and submit the request for approval. The appointment will remain pending approval until reviewed by the admin team. Once approved, the director's status is updated to approved director. Kimbocorp, download now.